types to count objects, things, places, regions and so on. So today we are going to learn more about numbers. Okay, so the first topic that we are going to learn is comparing numbers. In order to compare two numbers, we have to follow some rules. Rule number 1 is, if the two numbers have different number of digits, the number with larger number of digits is greater. Let us see an example. Over here we have 325. I hope you all know about the place value, right? Yeah. So this is 325. This is 89. So which is bigger? First you have to see how many number of digits are there. Here we have 2 digits. Here we have 3 digits. So of course 3-digit number is greater than the 2-digit number. Why I put the sign is this is the sign you're going to put when it's greater. When a number is greater, this is the sign that you're going to put. Okay, now let us see the second rule. If the two numbers have equal number of digits, compare the digits at the leftmost places in both the numbers. The number with larger digit will be greater than the number with the smaller digit. So let me show you in an example. Here first of all, whenever you are comparing numbers, see how many digits are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. This number are there till lakhs. Here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Okay, same digits of numbers are here also. So first you have to see the leftmost number. So here we have 8, here we have 6. So 8 or 6 is bigger? Of course 8. So which is bigger? 820797 is bigger than 690,824. Okay, now let us see the second step. Okay, in seeing how to compare the numbers, you have second step. What is that? If both the numbers have same digits at the leftmost place, compare their second digit from the left. Here you can see that in the leftmost, here we have the same number of digits here also. But here you see, here we have 5, but here also we have 5. So of course you have to see the next step, means second leftmost place. Okay, here we have 6, here we have 3. So which is bigger, 6 or 3? Of course 6. So 5, 6, 2, 7, 8, 9 is bigger than 5, 3, 2, 9, 9, 9. I hope you understood. Next step is the same way. If the first digits as well as the second digits from the left of the given number are equal in value, compare their third digit from the left, then proceed as discussed below above. Okay, so here we can come to see that here we have 5. Here also we have 5. So there's no need to underline. Next, here we have 3. Here also we have 3. 6. But here we have 4. So 6 or 4 is bigger? Of course 6. So 5, 3, 6, 2, 5, 0 is bigger than 5, 3, 4, 7, 9, 8. Similarly, the next method is also the same way. Let us see how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there are 10,000s. Till 10,000s they have come. So let us see. Here we have a 7. Here we have a 7. Here we have a 6. Here we have 6. So in the thousands and the 10,000s place, we have the same digits in two numbers also. Next, here we have a 2. Here also we have a 2. But the next number is, here we have a 3. Here we have a 1. Right? So which is bigger, 3 or 1? Of course, 3. Now let's see some more questions. Here the question is, which is greater? So first we have to see how many digits are there in a number, right? Over here we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Over here we have 6. Here we have 7. Means here we have lakhs. Till lakhs we have numbers. Here we have till 10 lakhs. Right? So which is bigger? Of course the digit, the number which has the more digits. Right? So So we are going to give this side. So it's like a crocodile mouth, right? Like this. So it's like the crocodile. It's like the crocodile mouth eating big numbers, right? Yeah. Okay. So next number, let's see. Over here, let us see the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 6 digits are there. Now let us see from the left. Okay. So the first number in the left, digit in the left is 3. Here also 3. Next. Here 8. Here also 8. Right. So next is 0. Here it's a 1. Right. So which is bigger, 0 or 1? It is 1. Right. So here we are going to give the crocodile mouth. So 381007 is greater than 380362. If they are given writing statements, then you have to write it like that. Okay. So next is which is smaller. So even though they reverse the question like which is greater or which is smaller, greater you are going to give this sign. Okay. That means the next number is smaller. Okay. Now let us see this question. 2, 4, 9, 7. So there is 4 digits, and then here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there is 4 digits. Now let us see from the left. Okay, left here we have 2. Here also we have 2. Okay. Next digit from the left is 4. Here we have 5. So which is bigger? 4 or 5? 5. But the question here is which is smaller. So we are going to give the crocodile mouth here. Okay. But this is smaller. Okay. So do not call this as crocodile mouth. Okay. It's a sign for greater and smaller. Okay. So now let's see the second question over here. This is how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So from the left, let's see 3, 3, 2, 5. So which is bigger? This is bigger. But which is smaller? This is bigger. Smaller, right? So 3, 5, 9, 7. We make like this. So 3, 2, 9, 7 is smaller than 3, 5, 9, 6. In other ways, we can use a chart for comparing numbers. So first we used only 2 numbers and then we used to compare, right? But here we have 4 different numbers and that 2 big numbers, right? So let us use a chart for comparing it. Before making the chart, let us write the numbers. So over here we have 6, 4, 5, 8, 2, 4. Now let us write them. So the first number we can write from the left side. Okay. So we'll write it down. 6, 4, 5, 8, 2, 4. Okay. The second number. Whenever you write the second number, we don't know if one number is less or more. So let us write from the ones place. Okay. So this is 6, 2, 9, 8, 7, 3, 2. Look, one number is more, right? So next here we have 2. Like from ones only we can write. Even though it's the same numbers, we'll just write from the ones. Okay. So 9, 7, 8, 2, and 3. Okay. Now let us write the last number. That will be 4, 8, 2, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Now for doing a chart, let us add some lines. Okay. So 2 more lines and it's done. Okay, so now I hope you all know the place values, right? In the first time only I taught you that here this is the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and lakhs. Okay. now it's done. Now let us see how to compare. So of course clearly you can come to know that 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 2, 6 has more digits than the others, right? So of course this is bigger than every number. Okay, so here we are going to write it down. 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 2, 6 is greater than. Next, let's see the number. Here we have 6. So let's note down this number because we are done with this number. Let's see the other numbers. Here we have 6, 3, 6. So the digits are there in the same numbers. So now let's see. Here 6, 3 and 6. Of course 6 is bigger. But there is 6 in 2 places. So let us see in those two. 6, 6. 4, 5. So which is bigger? 4 or 5? Of course 5. So 6, 5, 4, 2, 8, 4 is greater than this number because this is 3, right? This is 6. So which is bigger? 6. So let us write down that number. 6, 4, 5, 8, 2, 4 is greater than the last number. So this is done, this number is done, and this number is done. The last number is 3, 2, 8, 7, 9, 2. And this is how you compare using a chart. Okay, so the next topic that we are going to discuss is ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means smaller number to greater number, while descending order means greater number to smaller number. Let's see one example over here. 1 to 5. We all know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know the countings, right? So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From smaller number, this smaller number here is 1. The greater number here is 5. So if you are from smaller number to greater number, it's going. So that means this is ascending order. This is ascending order. Okay? Okay. Now, here we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here the number, greater number here is 5. So from 5 it is coming down. Means from 5 it's going down, and that will be 1 here. So from greater number to smaller number. That means which is descending order. Okay. So now I hope you know about ascending order and descending order. Now let us see some questions. Here we have 573, 8294, 37, 54908 and 1036. Okay, now let us write this in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater. Okay, so first of all, whenever you are writing in ascending and descending, you have to write the number of digits which are there in these numbers. So far we had seen the greater number. We would find out the greater number, right? But here we are going to find out the smaller to the greater. Okay, here we have how many digits? 3 digits. Here we have 2 digits. Sorry, this whole number I just took 82 ends. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 digits. Here we have 2 digits. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. Here we have 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. Okay. Now the smaller number of digits, where is it? Here. This is 2 digits and that is 37. So first you are going to write down 37. Okay. Then we are going to give a smaller sign. 37 is smaller than which one? Here we have 3-digit number. So we are going to write down this 573 is smaller than which one? Here we have 4-digit. Here also we have 4-digit. So let us see the first leftmost number. 8 is bigger. But 1 we have to write because it's in ascending order. So 1, 0, 3, 6 is greater than 8, 2, 9, 4. 8, 2, 9, 4 is is smaller than, what is it? 5-digit number. Lastly, we have 5-digit number, that will be 5, 4, 9, 0. Okay. Now the first question is done. In the second question, we are going to see, we are going to write down descending order. From descending order, we are going to write. Okay. Now let us see the number of digits. Here we have 4 digits. Whether it is ascending or descending order, you have to find out how many digits are there in the number. Okay. So here we have 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. Here we have 1, 2, 3 digits. Here we have 3 digits. Here we have 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now let us write in descending order. So descending order means bigger number. So here we are going to write down 6, 3, 2, 0, 0 is greater. So you can see the sign, it goes like this because here ascending order. So this will be bigger always. So what will happen? This will be smaller. So we are going to give a smaller sign. Here bigger sign because it's descending order, right? So we are going to write this is bigger than, what is it? Next 4-digit number. We have 2. So here we have a 2. Here we have a 2. Okay. Next we have a 7. Here we have a 1. So which is greater? 7 or 1? 7 is greater. So we are going to put this number next. So 2, 7, 5, 4 is greater than this number. 2, 1, 3, 4. And here we have two numbers with 3 digits. That will be here 7 is there, here 3 is there. Which is bigger, greater? 3 or 7? 7 is greater. So we are going to write 7 to 8 is greater than 3 to 1. Okay. The next topic is to form the smallest and the greatest numbers using the given digits. To obtain the smallest number, the smallest digit other than 0 is put at the extreme left, then put 0 and then the remaining digits in ascending order of their values. Let's see one example. Here we have the number. We don't have numbers. Here there are different digits. Okay. Here we have 2, 0, 7, 8, 9 and 5. Now we have to form the smallest and the greatest number using the digits. So here we have a 0. When you form the smallest, you should not put 0 at the front because 0 doesn't have any value. So first you have to see the second smallest number in the digits. That is 2, right? So we are going to write 2. Okay, and then 0. Okay, and then 0. And then we are going to write 5, 7, 8, 9. And this is the smallest number. Now let us see how to obtain the greatest number. To obtain the greatest number, put the greatest digit at the extreme left, then put the remaining digits in descending order of their values with 0 at the end. Over here we have to form the greatest number. So here we have which is the greatest digit here? We have 9. So I'll just give a gap here. Okay, 9. Then which is the greatest? 8, 7, 5, and then we have 2. Okay, so no need to worry about 0 when you write in the greatest because now it means a meaning here when we put 0 at the end. Okay, now I hope you understand understood how to form the smallest and the greatest using the digits. Now let me ask you a question. What is the smallest number of 5 digits? What is the smallest number of 5 digits? To form the smallest number of 5 digits, place 1 at the extreme left and then 4 zeros to the right of 1. Okay, so first you can actually give dashes like this, 5 dashes. Okay, so that you come to know that you are going to write 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, whenever you are writing the smallest, here you have to see smallest. Whenever you are writing the smallest number of 5 digit, you are going to write 1 at the extreme left. Then you are going to place 4 zeros. Okay, I hope you got it. Now, next question is, what is the greatest number of 5 digits? In forming the greatest number of 5 digits, we should have the greatest digit, that is 9 in all places. I am talking about the greatest digit. So, which is the greatest digit? That is 9. So, we just give 5 dashes. 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, which is the greatest digit? 9. So, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. So, this is the greatest number of 5 digits. That is, here 99,999. Here we have 10,000. Okay. So, same way, if they ask you in 6-digit number, at the smallest 6-digit number, you are just going to put 1 at the extreme left. And then you are going to place 5 zeros after the 1. But that only the greatest 6-digit, how you are going to put 9 digit you have to put in 6 places. Okay friends, today we covered one part of this chapter. The second part of this chapter I will teach you in the next video. If you have any doubts regarding in these topics, please do comment down below. And if you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye bye.